I'm now 7:11 in your Health Watch this morning. A potential breakthrough in the fight against skin cancer is happening right here in the Valley. The HonorHealth Research Institute has launched a new clinical trial testing a personalized mRNA cancer vaccine for patients with treatment-resistant melanoma. So the goal is to train the body's own immune system to target and destroy those stubborn tumor cells, which is a therapy that has already shown some promise against aggressive brain tumors.
So HonorHealth is currently enrolling eligible patients. Joining us this morning to break down this cutting-edge research is Dr. Georges. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Great to be here today.
Absolutely. So tell us more about this vaccine and how often would someone have to take it and how does it work?
Well, we're very excited to offer this clinical trial here at HonorHealth Research Institute. We already have a clinical portfolio of over 200 clinical trials, and Diagnos Oncology has developed this trial. It's a cutting-edge vaccine therapy for metastatic melanoma. And what it means is each patient who enrolls in this trial has a personal vaccine made just for them to treat the cancer that they have.
So I was doing a little research, and listen, I don't know what I'm talking about. You obviously do, but can you walk us through, because these use something called dendritic cells. What are those, and how does this work?
Oh, great question. Dendritic cells, they're the scouts of our immune system. They're constantly surveilling the body, looking for germs, pathogens, and then they report back to the immune system to target and kill those things that might hurt us. The thing is, our immune systems also have the capability to detect and kill cancer cells. It's just cancers like melanoma get very good at camouflaging themselves and hiding out from the immune system. So things like this cutting-edge double-loaded dendritic cell vaccine reteaches the body's immune system how to naturally target and kill the cancer cells.
Wow.
That's pretty amazing.
It really
you know,
is.
HonorHealth is, I was just reading, one of a handful of cities, in one of, maybe 5 cities or something around the nation that are actually using this type of technology. Do you have to be to a certain level, I guess? You know, how far along does a melanoma have to be in order to become a patient here with this clinical trial?
And just to echo that, we're very excited that we were selected as one of very few sites across the country to offer this. So it's right here in our backyard. Patients do not need to travel for it. And unfortunately with melanoma, even though over the last 20 years we've had a lot of breakthroughs with treatment, eventually some treatments can stop being effective. And when that happens, things like this clinical trial can be the next step in care for patients who have this disease.
For people that don't kind of understand how a clinical trial works, obviously this is just kind of a small base, but do you hope that this is becoming more widespread in treatment down the road? And how many years are we talking?
Well, Diagnos Oncology has really streamlined this process. I'm involved because we developed a similar vaccine to treat glioblastoma several years ago, a very aggressive brain cancer. And in that clinical trial, patients who enrolled have done far better than, the average patient has done a lot better than ever expected. And there were really no significant side effects from that. And as we gain more data and do more of these trials, we're getting faster at making the vaccine and moving faster to moving it to standard care in the clinic.
So are you looking for patients to also take part in this, or do you have enough patients? And here's a golden question, I think, for people who may be, diagnosed with melanoma. Is it covered by insurance?
Yes, this is no cost out of pocket to the patient. It's covered by insurance and by Diagnos Oncology, who are supporting enrollment in the trial here at HonorHealth Research Institute.
Oh, wonderful. And then how do people get in touch with you if they want to possibly take part?
If patients are interested, they should reach out directly to the HonorHealth Research Institute. Dr. Moser is the medical director of melanoma oncology and cutaneous oncology here, and he would be a great resource to reach out to if you're interested in enrolling in a trial like this.
Great. Dr. Georges, thank you so much for your time this morning and all of your work on clinical trials like this to help our community. We appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.
Great to be here, and we look forward to bringing more trials to Phoenix.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. Aren't we glad that we have people that are a lot smarter than us doing stuff?
Right? Doing remarkable things.
All right.